Hi, we're looking at logic sums based on syllogism. So, Venn diagram is a good way of solving logic sums. So, let's start with it. Some waters are wells. So, some waters are wells. All wells are rivers, and some rivers are sea. So, you draw it with a minimum intersection. And these are simple. When there is no or a maybe, it's a simple Venn diagram. So, all waters is river. Yes, as per diagram, it's true. Some seas are wells, not as per diagram. As per diagram is false. So when there is no or a maybe, you can always answer based on a diagram. And in this diagram, only one follows, A option, right? Because some waters are rivers, you can make it out from a diagram itself where it follows. So that's the answer. Some helicopters are aeroplanes. All aeroplanes are jet, and no jet is missile. Some helicopters are not jets. When there is no, you can redraw and check out. You can make out that I can draw jets around helicopters. So it is possible that all helicopters are jets. So first is false. No airplane is missile. If you look at airplanes inside jets and missile is outside jets, they can't intersect. So second automatically becomes correct. So you can make out that only true follows. Next, all roads are buses. No bus is a tractor. Some tractors are van. So no road is a van? Not necessary. I can always draw in such a way that van can intersect roads. Okay, no tractors or roads is possible is definite yes. But no roads are van, no. Van can intersect with roads, possibility. And some roads are van, again not necessary. So both are false technically, individually. Because as per diagram, some roads or vans are false. But if you look at both are road van, and both are false. When both are false, you can check for either or. So you can make out that one over two definitely has to be true. So either no road is van or some roads are van. One over two definitely is true. So we can mark the answer as D option, either one or two. So when both are false, you can check for either or. Especially when both have same road van. You can make out that one over two definitely has to be true. So either or. All countries are islands. All islands are capital. Some capital are currency and all currencies are continents. Right. So some capitals are country. So if you look at capitals are here, countries are here. Yes, some capitals are countries. True as per diagram. Some continents are country. Yes, whenever there is no in the main statement, normally all possibilities are true. You can always draw countries and continents intersecting. So it is true. So which you can say that both 1 and 2 are true. Okay. So whenever there is no in the statements, you can always conclude any possibility. Any possibility is true. All A are B. Some B are C. Some C are D. Some C are A is a possibility. So again, since there is no in the statement, all possibilities normally are true. So some C are A is a possibility is true. Some D are B, no, not as per diagram. So false. You only redraw if there is a no or a maybe. So some D are B, no, false as per diagram. So you can make out only one is true. Right? So with that, you get the answer. So syllogism, if you practice, it can become really fast to solve those sums. So do practice. It will help you to be quick. Thank you.